There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came and brought me out of the shell. You gave my world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. For my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm born beyond existing, and it all began when I met you.
Something for all the ladies tonight. Sana makasabay kayo, ha? Bakit ba ganyan? Minsan ay nauutal sa kaba pag ika'y nakausap ng ngunit malakas ang loob.